Yes, I love you guys. It's the 1st of April. Just come from work. Just come from work and I decide to just do a quick drink before I go to my bed tonight. First of all, I want to introduce you to the Caribbean Fusion. These are some of the stuff that they sell on their website right here. But I just come from work, a little bit tired, but you know, this one named the Wellness Tea. I did this one a couple days ago. This one is amazing, and I want to introduce you to this one. This one is on their website. Yeah, you can get this one for buy on their website. Anyway, just come from work, little bit tired, and late, early in the morning now. Right now in London, time is a little bit late, but I decided for us to do a little quick live on detoxing of the tea. And the reason why I want to say to you guys, you have to look after yourself at home. I've been preaching this over and over and over. I said that you have to detox your body and also cleanse your body. Trust me, because when I look and see so many people right now who've been suffering, you know what I mean, it's just drawing my attention more closer to say, listen, you have to look after yourself at home, alright? But I just decided to do a little drink before I go to my bed tonight, because it's pretty late right now. And I said to myself that I'm going to do a detoxing drink, which we all know that this is just for members only. If you're a member of my YouTube channel, you're welcome. If you do not join my YouTube channel membership, you need to join it, alright? Remember to check out the Caribbean Fusion. Alright, this one is a Lavender Dream. It's just really good for you. And they also have some nice, lovely gift set, which I show you guys today about their gift set. It's on their website. Alright, if you go to Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice website, you can get all their product. Alright, this one is the Lavender Dream. Alright, loose lemon. But this one is just one of those. I tried all of them the other day and they're just amazing. And night, this one is also really, really good. Alright, a little bit tired, guys, but as I said, still just, you know what I mean, wellness tea is also very good. You can try out these one. Alright, but if you want any of these products, check out their on their website. Alright, now my little secret recipe for the night, I'm gonna be getting 1, 4, roughly about 5 more cloves. Put a few more in it. Alright, lovely. This one I'm gonna be drinking tonight. As you can see, gonna squeeze some lime juice in it like this, because this is what I feel for, because I'm gonna go to bed now. It's a little bit late, alright, but as I say, just come from work and a little bit tired, and that's how you normally do it. So I'm gonna use roughly about 1 lime inside a bit like this. So I'm just squeezing 1 lime. Alright, yeah. I've been talking about my bedtime drink all the time. Alright, yeah, so here it is. This is my bedtime drink. As I say, yeah, just come from work, a little bit tired, and decide for us to do that little quick live. Yeah, alright, what I'm gonna do is put one of my bedtime tea, drink in it. It's good to detox your body before you go to your bed at night, guys. I don't know about you guys, but trust me, this is what Chef Ricardo normally do before I go to my bed at night. Alright, so right here I'm just gonna simple pour a little bit of hot water inside of it. Alright, hello Julian in the kitchen. It's a little bit late, Julie. Late. Alright, yeah, it's a little bit late at the moment. Just come from work, a little bit tired, and trust me, I decided for us do a little one clip in there for you guys. Alright, yeah, I know, it's weight loss. I know, I saw it. I saw the spelling, man. It's WIGHT, but I will get this correct. Yeah, I just decided to just do this quickly. Yeah, I saw it, Jamaica Recipe Queen. I saw the misspelling. And I said, try, you know, when I finish I will just correct that, because just come from work, a little bit tired, and trust me, I won't have work need for done. Yeah, Julie in the kitchen. What's going on, Julie? Big up yourself. Big up yourself, Julie. Yeah, so as you can see exactly what's going on right now in the kitchen. Just there, go on. Yeah, perfect. Thank you so much, man. Aside. You know, late enough. I just come from work, 3 hours without driving. You know what I mean? Yeah. So I won't be driving that. But right here, I'm just gonna make a nice lovely cup of tea before I go to my bed. Shout out to all of my members and who support Chef Ricardo right straight through the year. Alright guys, just there I make a nice lovely cup of tea, and honestly, yeah, can't go wrong. Alright, remember to check out the Caribbean Fusion, guys. Julie, big up yourself 100%. Here it is, Caribbean Fusion. Check out them stuff. Alright, this is a gift set, you know. Jamaica recipe queen, big up yourself. Oh, the tea bag. Well, there's a lot of stuff in that tea bag, you know. You know, I brought this one in the supermarket. You know, not even me brought it. One of my co-workers I saw with it, and I said to him, say, is a tea where very just give you a relaxing, you know what I mean, relaxing sleep, give you a good night rest. So there's a lot of stuff inside of it. Alright? But even this one really good too. The wellness tea. This one I've been drinking this one a lot. Also, you need to get that one. No. Give you a good night rest and a good night sleep. You know what I mean? Not something to make you can't sleep too much. That make you give you a good night rest and a good night sleep. Alright? So like this one right now I'm gonna drink. Yeah. This is just perfect. Perfect for drink in the morning. See this one? Really good. Yeah. Yes. Jamaica recipe queen, big up yourself. But as I said, the bedtime one, this is good, man. I saw one of my co-worker with it and I said to him, so listen, me need this from you. I'm gonna take this one and I've been drinking it over the last couple of days right now. Yeah, even this one. Yeah. Wellness tea. Nice. This one is also nice too. We can try this one. Check this one out on the Caribbean Fusion website. Alright? Yeah man, check out these on the Caribbean website. These like a beautiful drink for you to have at home also. Yeah. Julie. Yeah, yes, Julie. Later was me just come from work. I just finished work. Yeah. Just come from work, come home and look in the kitchen just making a cup of tea. For sure it's a Chef Ricardo. 24-hour with the work, you know? Yeah. This is just lovely, nice and delicious. Alright, 2 o'clock now in the morning. Yeah, but you know what I mean, I work at night. So yeah, night shift. Yeah. But look at this one. This is amazing. We got some cloves in it. We got some lime juice. And also, we got this one inside of it also. Alright? Yeah. Remember to check out the Caribbean Fusion website. Yeah, them have their own gift set. Alright. Here it is. This is their gift set. What it look like. We got a lot of stuff in it, but trust me. Really, really good. I don't know. Mother's Day card and all them things. Happy Mother's Day. Because Mother's Day is in May in Jamaica, guys. Yeah. Julie, you need to get one of them package, you know. Love, mom. Tell your daughters to get this for you. Yeah. You tell your daughter need to get this one, Julie. 100%. But as I can see, I'm in the kitchen right now and I'm just drinking the last cup of tea before I go on my bed. Honestly, this is fantastic and amazing. This is lovely. Once you drink this and you go to your bed, trust me, you definitely will see exactly what Chef Ricardo been talking about. 100%. This is fantastic and amazing. Members only. If you're not a member, you need to join my membership YouTube channel, because I said to you guys, I will be doing some YouTube video and it's going to be for members only. Alright, so if you're a member, you can join my YouTube channel and support Chef Ricardo. Nice one. And this is what you want to drink before you go to your bed. Yes, Jolie, we need to do that. Let me know when you're ready. But honestly, Jolie, I'm so busy at the moment with my work, man. Work kind of have me away. You know? Yeah. Roll up a job going on at the moment. Yeah. Yeah, Jamaica recipe queen, you need to drink this. Yeah, you need to drink this one. This is good for you. This will clean out your tummy and give you a good night rest and give you detoxing like when you want to lose 150 pounds. This is good for you to drink because cloves have a lot of health benefit. Alright? And trust me, cloves is just really amazing to drink. 100%. Yeah. Yeah. Full-time work. When you work full-time, I tell you, a lot of people doesn't know your work and you have to do your YouTube channel and all them stuff there. A lot of people don't know, man. It's a lot of work. Trust me. Whole heap of work. So that 150 pound you want to take off, I don't know how you're going to manage with it, you know. But I know, anyway, Julie, she need to take off 150 pound. Yeah. I don't know what's going to happen. Yeah. So she want to lose 150 pound. Alright. So, yeah. Let's see what happens. Alright. Yeah. 100%. So Julie, do you want to lose any weight? This is for you, if you want to lose weight. Ah, man, this is beautiful. Wow. I got a little bit more of a sedum inside of it. Let's put a little bit more hot water upon it. Yeah, because yeah. The Jamaican recipe queen, don't play with her. Anyway, this thing right here, guys, you know what I mean? What I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna char them, suck them, you know what I mean? Because I'm good. And it's good for your teeth. Yeah, very, very good for your teeth, guys. Trust me. Ah, man, this is so amazing. Yeah. Ah, that is just lovely. Remember, guys, here it is. Julie, you need to get this. Trust me. Look at it, Julie. You need to get this one. Yeah, I've been drinking this over the last couple of days. Really, really good. 100%. Yeah. This one, also perfect. Really, really perfect. 100%. You need to get this one, Julie. This one, the wellness tea. Yeah. This is perfect. This one. You need to get this one, Julie. 100%. Yeah, man. I have another half a lemon lime here. I'm gonna squeeze this inside of it. Yeah. Jamaica recipe queen. Remember, you want to lose 150 pounds, you know. So this is really good for you. Yeah, that is amazing. Trust me. Look, it's a little bit left in it, you know. Cloves. You can get cloves to buy in the local shop or supermarket. Alright guys, you can buy the cloves and you can also make yourself a nice lovely cup of tea like this one right here. 100%. Alright? Yeah. That's how I normally do it. 2 o'clock in the morning, before you go to your bed, you need to drink a tea like this. That is amazing. Yeah, perfect. Ready for bedtime. Alright, so probably right now in New York, probably about 8 o'clock now. In Canada, about 4 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, look at that. That is just lovely and amazing. Right now in Canada, probably about 4 o'clock in the morning. Jamaica recipe queen must be making some cakes. That is lovely. Man, this is just delicious. Fantastic and amazing. 100%. Alright. You see this thing right here in the cup I'm drinking? Okay, Julie. Well, in England now, it's probably about 2 o'clock now because I finished work 1 o'clock. Alright. And not too long come home. Alright, you see the cloves? If you think you'll find yourself having a little cold or flu, you need to drink this. Alright? And this will help to fight against the cold and flu. And this will help you to detox your body and cleanse your body. Alright guys? If you never drink something like this before, right here, this is something for you to drink. 100%. Alright? Yeah. Trust me.